Let's walk through an example and show how a firm can increase its profit when the extra revenue accrued when a firm hires another unit of an input is greater than its extra cost. Here's a simple example for a firm that can increase L from 5 to 6. When L is 5, quantity is 130, and total cost is 1,200. Price is 10 and is constant as L increases. The wage rate is 200 and is constant as L increases. We can fill in some of the rows in the first for the first row. Total revenue is going to be 1,300. 1,300 is the quantity produced times price. We can calculate profit very quickly. Profit is total revenue less total cost. So profit here is going to be 100. Now let's talk about what happens when L goes from 5 to 6. We know the extra revenue is 25. That tells me that revenue is going to go up from 130 to 155. Output increases by 25. I know the extra cost is going to be the wage I pay, so the extra cost is 200. I know the extra revenue is going to be the extra output times the price. I've now got 25 more units to sell. I'll sell each unit for $10 a unit. So if I'm selling 25 more units of output and each one gets me $10 coming in the cash register, my revenue is going to rise by $250. At this point, I know that the profit on the second row is going to be higher than the profit on the third row. The extra revenue generated is higher than the extra cost. Revenues rise by 250, cost is rising by only 200. That means that profit will rise by 50. So I know right now that profit's got to be $150. I can demonstrate this more completely by completing the rows, by completing the cells for total revenue and total cost. Total revenue is going to be 155 times price. So 1,550 is the new total revenue. If I increase employment from 5 to 6, I've got to pay $200 for that extra unit of labor. So my total cost is going to go up to 1,40. Total cost will be $200 higher at L equals 6 than L equals 5. And the difference between the new total revenue and the new total cost does in fact equal 150. When the extra revenue is greater than the extra cost, the firm can increase profit by increasing employment.